Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right now. Make sure your AirPods Pro Max have at least a partial charge and are within 1 meter of your device. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on the device you want to pair and keep that screen visible. You do this because pairing requires an active Bluetooth scan and proximity to exchange secure keys. Make sure any previously connected device is out of range or Bluetooth is off to avoid automatic reconnects. This prevents interference as you enter pairing mode. Now put the headphones into pairing mode. Press and hold the noise control button for about 5 to 7 seconds. As you hold, look for the LED near the charging port to start flashing white. That visual confirms the AirPods Pro Max are discoverable. If the LED shows amber, you need to charge or reset. Keep holding until you see consistent white flashes. You do this because the long press forces the internal Bluetooth radio into discoverable state rather than trying to auto-reconnect. With the LED flashing white, switch to your device and tap the AirPods Pro Max entry in Bluetooth to complete pairing. You'll see a prompt and then connect. If the headphones don't appear, make sure Bluetooth is scanning, then try a reset. Hold the noise control button and the digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED shows amber then white. If problems persist, restart the phone or toggle Bluetooth off and on. This clears temporary radio conflicts and usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.